Vande Ramadutam. Question and answer session for Dharmic enquiries for the current episode. Questions are raised by the devotees. There are two questions in this session. Question number 1. What should one do not to have anger? And the subpart for that question is, how should one manage or control the anger? The answer to the above two questions is presented as under. The idea one must not get angry is a misconception. The elements of emotions, affection, likes, dislikes, joy, sorrow, peace, are interlinked and have an interplay in the lives of all individuals. The opposing emotions are two sides of the same coin. The emotions have to be handled in a philosophical manner and not to be taken on an individual plane. Reactions based upon what the situation entails on us is the underlying determining factor. For example, can we be detached if a cruelty is happening right in front of us? If we remain a mute spectator, then are we not giving up our human trait? We should not be so. In such a situation, one must react according to one's strength and to what extent the situation warrants. We can draw a parallel or a reference point. We can draw a parallel or a reference point from our epic Mahabharata. In the court of Kauravas, Draupadi was humiliated. Bhishma, Dronacharya, Dhritarashtra, and the Kuruvamsa elders were all learned, and yet the elders did not show their anger against this unbecoming act. Was it not the reason for the annihilation of the Kauravas? So there must be a rightful anger on the presenting circumstances. The place of rightful anger has to be judged, so one should not get angry at all places or at every point of time or and every circumstance. To react to an act of injustice is warranted. This can be against an act or a circumstance, but not against an individual. Such an anger that is appropriate to the extent of the circumstance has a rightful place. So, how to exhibit or how to control anger? For this, we have to cultivate compassion, understanding, love, devotion in all situations and circumstances. This will help us to control our anger. There is a place for rightful anger against circumstances. This anger should not be against individuals. It should be dharmic in principle. Thank you. Vande Ramadutam.